Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Thank you for coming to this presentation. My name is Nona Visa from Faculty Medicine Sultan Agung Islamic University. So, I'm very excited to be here to talk about health topic that affect millions of people around the world. The title of my talk is Smoking and Food Cause: How Quitting Can Save Your Life. I've divided my talk into three main parts. Learning content is 1. Smoking is a major risk factor for dangerous food cause. 2. Quitting smoking can reverse much of the damage. 3. It damages blood vessel and increases cold formation. You don't need to take notes. I will share the slides afterward if needed. There will be time for question at the end, but feel free to ask me during the presentation if anything is unclear. Next, let me begin with a story. I once met a patient in the emergency department. He was in his 14, a smoker and quite active. Suddenly, he developed shortness of breath and collapsed. The diagnosis, a pulmonary embolism caused by a blood clot. And yes, smoking was the biggest risk factor. That day changed my perspective on how dangerous cold can be, especially for smokers. Next, what are boot clothes? Boot clothes are essential for healing wounds. They stop bleeding when we get injured. But cuts become dangerous when they form inside healthy blood vessels without injury. Example are harmful cuts, deep vein thrombosis, cuts in deep veins, often in the legs, to pulmonary embolism. When a cut travels to the legs, stroke, a cut blocks blood flow to the brain. Heart attack, a cut blocks a coronary artery. Next, how smoking causes cuts. When damage in the blood vessel walls, so increases blood thickness and clotting tendency. 3. Lower oxygen level, rising heart strain. Next, care statistic. Let's look at the data. Smokers are 4 times more likely to develop cuts. 2. Smoker on birth control over 10 times higher risk. 3. Higher risk of stroke, heart attack, and sudden cold-related death. Next, benefits of quitting. Let's now shift to a more positive note. What happens when you quit smoking? 2 to 12 weeks, improved blood circulation. 1 year, heart disease risk cut by 15%. 5 years, stroke risk nearly back to non-smoker level. Next, prevention tips. Here what you can do. 1. Stop smoking permanently. 2. Stay active and avoiding long sitting. 3. Maintaining a health weight and hydrate. 3. Monitor blood pressure and cholesterol. Next, conclusion. Smoking increases blood rate and can be deadly. Quitting is one of the most powerful ways to reduce that risk. Stay today, your body begins healing immediately. Yes, source. 4 times of India. And thank you. I'd be happy to answer any question you have. If anything was unclear or if you'd like more detail, feel free to ask. If there are no further questions, I'd like to conclude my presentation here. Thank you once again for your attention and participation. Have a great day.